I'm Eric Horvitz. I'm Microsoft's Chief Scientific Officer. In the early 2000s, when deep neural nets, 2005, 2006, started showing power with computation and data, there was a new inflection of deep neural networks. And I mentioned 2005, 2007, 2009, we saw very fast-paced work. We were at an AI inflection. And my comment is on where we are today is we're seeing now with generative AI models, with these large foundation models, as we call them, an inflection upon an inflection. I almost see the curve. Inflection, deep learning. Applications, excitement, inflection again. And what we're seeing most recently that's quite different is we're seeing models that are, I think for the first time, behaving in ways that people would describe as showing glimmers of the way people think. I'm not making any comments as to what's going on behind the scenes, being similar or not, but we're seeing systems that could generate language and imagery in a way that people do, that can converse coherently with people, seemingly in a fluid manner, in a coherent manner. This is very new. It's a very new experience. I mean, when ChatGPT was fielded at the end of November of 2022, the original idea was just to gather data with a prototype. But it exploded in terms of interest in use, in part because it was so easy to work with and mesh with humans. And scientifically what's different is, as AI researchers, we have questions where we're seeing where the empirical behavior of these systems, how they're behaving when we build them, is sometimes beyond expectation and understanding. So there's excitement in the mystery of what this path has uncovered, what we're seeing now in terms of lighting up more research in AI. What does this mean? I'm impressed that people are reflecting so much about the implications of artificial intelligence technologies, probably in a way that was not done given big influencers in technology like electricity or flight. So in some ways it's very healthy we're seeing a conversation because people realize there is incredible capability and many, many influences of this technology as it's being leveraged throughout society. In the past, we've done well with technologies. Human beings, in fact, are where we are with our inventions by our ability to understand them and wrap our civilizations around them. The language that I'm using right now to talk to you is a human invention. Isn't that amazing? That we've invented something and then we've co-evolved with it very deeply and also for our society. The same will happen with artificial intelligence. We will co-evolve with this technology